Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got a really interesting topic that I want to share with you. So you know I'm always studying, trying to learn from everybody as much as I can. Here, I've compiled 4 quotes that I've never heard successful traders say. This is kind of me looking at everything from the opposite angle just to make sure I'm covering all my bases. And I've noticed that no one that I've studied that has made money as a trader says anything relatively close to the next 4 quotes that I'm going to share with you guys in this video. So if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the feed, I appreciate you being here. Do me a favor, just hit the subscribe button below so you join our team, join the family, and that way you won't miss any of the future updates that we're constantly putting out. We've been doing daily videos for you guys in December now. We're going to push through until the 25th, and then I'm going to take a couple days off, and then we're right back into it at the new year with even more videos. I don't know if we're going to keep it up daily, but it's going to be very often. So again, hit that red subscribe button so you're on our team for life. Now, let's just get right into it. So the first quote is, "A good trading day is a day I make money." Now, you'll never hear a successful trader say this because a successful trader knows that they're not defined by the results of one trade. They're not defined by the money that they make on any one day. The money is relative to the size account that they're trading. So a good trader knows they should be focused on their process. What are they doing that's repeatable and easy to follow every day so that they can repeat this and hit those trades and make sure that the process that they're following and repeating every day is profitable. You want to backtest and prove the system first before you just build a routine and go and follow it. But once you do that, a successful trader knows any day's results, whether they're good or bad, really are irrelevant, because as long as your system is proven profitable, in the long run, you're going to make substantial return. And that's what matters, the long run, not so much the short run. The second quote that you'll never hear a successful trader say is, "Trading more will make me a better trader." Now, this is kind of a double-edged sword, in my opinion, because if you look at it from the side of, if I trade more, I get more expertise, and that's going to make me better win or lose. Yes, that's true. But at the same time, I think what outweighs that is that if you trade more, you're going to take shitty trades. And if you take bad trades, you're going to lose more than you win, and you're going to burn out or run out of money, and then your career's over. So for this, the purpose of this video, the purpose for this is who this is directed for, the new and struggling trader. Understand that trading more will not make you a better trader. You should be trying to be picky, trying to find that process that's easy and repeatable for you, that every day you wake up, you can go and look at the charts, see if there's setups that fit your system, and do that every single day. That's what you should be looking for, not trying to just take random trades to get expertise in. Because if you're building bad habits, you're not going to be successful in the long run for sure. The third quote is that, and I've heard this a lot actually, "I have to test all of my trading ideas with live capital." It's crazy. It's just stupid. Any successful trader will tell you that you gotta start with a demo account. You have to practice those ideas with paper money. There's no reason to throw real money behind an idea until that idea has proven some type of substantial profit. It has to give you substance to then say, okay, you know what? This is a good idea. We have an entry, we have an exit. It's showing repeatable patterns. Now we can put real money into it. But until then, until I've got back testing, chart markups, and an easy to identify entry, exit, take profit level, I'm not putting live money into anything like that. So keep that in mind as you start to go forward with your trading ideas. And the last quote that I don't think you'll ever hear a successful trader say is that successful trading means trading is my only business. All of the successful traders that I know diversify their sources of income. They're looking to bring in multiple streams of income because they're not just looking to make 6 figures a year. They're looking to make 7, 8, 9 figures a year. We're talking about entrepreneurs and people that are trying to make a name for themselves and leave something for their family. I know that's probably why you're watching this video, because that's someone like you. So if that's the mindset that you're in, understand that you don't have to look at trading as your one stream of income. If anything, it should be just a vein of all the other streams of income that you have coming in. That's what I mean about diversifying your sources of income, whether it's personal branding, whether it's consulting, whether you have other businesses, whatever it is. I know everybody's got something different, right? That should never drop off the face of the earth so that you can go all into trading, especially in your first few years. You should just be growing your trading account. I've never met someone that's taken their trading account from year 1 to year 3 to the point where it would just be so much money that they would never want any other sources of income. That would just be ridiculous. So you can always grow the account, whether you're pumping extra money into it or not, trading profitably or not, you can always grow that account. But why would you put all your eggs in one basket? That's just foolish. You should always be thinking about like the longevity of your diversification. So when you're thinking about what is successful trading, full-time trading, I talked about this while I was on vacation. You remember that video? Full-time trading is a ridiculous idea. You should be looking for profitable risk-reward setups when you can trade, right? You shouldn't be trying to force it when you're at the doctor's office or traveling or whatever. Looking for those profitable risk-reward setups and letting your account grow over the long period of time. 5, 10, 15 years down the road, your account's going to be so big that you won't even have to worry about maybe some of those other sources of income, maybe for some of you in the future. So keep that in mind as you go forward. Now, these 4 quotes that I just shared with you, I hope kind of just get your mindset thinking, like I said, about the other side of the page, the other side of the grass, whatever you want to call it. Just looking at it from another angle to say, what are successful traders never saying? What are they not thinking? So that way I know to not think that way. And these 4 quotes should hopefully get you guys going on the right track. So I hope the video helps. I hope it brings you some value. If you enjoyed it at all, just drop a comment down below. Let me know. I really appreciate that. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like I always say. And of course, we'll see you in tomorrow's trading video.